Hi everyone, my name is Serge and co-founder of Displayforce.ai. This is a platform that allows you to measure and engage your employees and customers and the point of sales or any physical spaces. This technology truly works. We already work with 45,000 touch points globally. This is more than 10,000 stores. We are growing truly fast because our technology works. And now I'm going to show you how does it work in real life. As you already know, any customers asking the real numbers. Customers, I mean that advertisers or marketing managers, they all require numbers. So that's why the core in our technology, this is audience detection algorithms that we developed more than 8 years and adopt especially for digital signage, for indoor using. Because this technology can detect everyone inside the store. It could be 1 person, 20 person, depends on the case and depends on the hardware. But we adopt our algorithms for working on the low-end hardware also, because we know a lot about scalability of the solution. And our solution works from based on Android, for example, hardware, or Intel NUC. It depends on your budget. Yes, but it works especially good on different kind of devices, because we absolutely know that we should know everyone inside the store and we should know everything about the audience. So, and this is just the technical information that we can grab from the audience, like male, gender, age, hair color, facial hair, headwear, and so on. But we also GDPR compliant, and this is very important. We do not storage any pictures. We don't send any data to the cloud for calculating. We do it absolutely on the edge. And also we can do the special customer journey data pass that also provide to you for your customers the data pass about the customer journey. It means that from screen to screen, it will be absolutely seamless experience. And now I'm going to show you how it works for audience. Let's go and have a look. And based on this data, we can create the beautiful pie charts with good insights, but also we can use all this data for real-time audience engagement. For example, like on this screen, it's just example for exhibition, but anyway, for stores, we're already using it we cover different retail networks with this technology already. I will show you. So when customer look at the screen, for example, this razor, especially for me, the photo inside, this is just for exhibition, of course, we don't storage any photos. So it detects me, and also it starts to fly. When I start to move, for example, or relocate, it will fly for me for seamless experience. And after, when I go back to another screen, the same message could be shown for me, because this is some kind of targeting ad that works already in online, but now it's going to be the part of offline experience. That's not all. And also you can use a different engagement mechanics based on Displayforce algorithms, like this one, for example. You can ask your customers to smile more for discount coupons or for presents. I don't know, it depends on your strategy. But anyway, the smile, this is a good emotion. This is good mimics. And will be connect to your brands, like this one. I'm Smile, and this is QR code with special price for me. I can scan it and go to the online experience. It depends on your strategy, as I said. This is a good scenario how you can share the good positive emotions with your customers and how you can increase the real engagement inside your stores. And this is a absolutely scalable solution. This is not just a one solution like for exhibition. Okay, let's go and have a look what the product is in the back end, because for professionals, this is a good dashboard with good insights, with good and powerful features for management. Let's go and have a look at it. And as you saw before, this is a solution for in-store experience. But of course, this is a professional product, and you need to have the special backend to control everything, all your in-store experience, measure and engage. And this is a cycle when you need to do every day just to improve your real experience. You should measure, change, and engage. Only this way you can do the best experience in your retail network or in your physical spaces. Let's have a show how it works for professionals. So this is a media plan. Here we have different campaigns inside. Each campaign, I mean, this is content on the different surfaces. It could be screens, LED screens, audio in-store music, or it could be interactive touchable kiosks, or it could be the part of a website. For example, also that we're working with not only with digital surfaces, you can also control the marketing in your in-app or in your websites with Displayforce. It's very important. So that's why this is omni-channel dashboard. And here, your campaigns. I can select this one, for example, and have a look. This is some kind of campaign, especially for commercial reasons. This is that you sold to your brand, for example, or to your advertiser. And here I see how many free spaces I have, and I can create, for example, one more. To create the campaign, I just press on the button, select the goals that I need to use for this campaign. For example, in my choose, it will be CPV, cost per real view, because we can do this with Displayforce. On the first stage, I will add the content. I will select the views, how many views I want to reach. Also, I can turn on the targeting, for example, like gender, age, or also frequency inside the store, how many times I want to show for each person. Select the schedule, put any rules, select the venue. For example, all my devices that I have, or all my stores, all my museums, anyway. And now we see that our system starts to forecast how many real views you will reach with these targeted messages, or how many OTS will be, what kind of audience you will attract for your campaign. All this data we are collecting by historical data, or also we're using the data, aggregated data about your audience, absolutely impersonal data that we already have for you. So this sidebar will help you to sell more commercials in your network. After, you can set up the budget. For example, for my campaign, 10,000 euro. This is the budget, maximum budget for this campaign. I can put my budget limit. I can put the bid, and I can set my ad live. After, you will have the campaign that already run with full dashboard of metrics that you need to monetize better, or that you need to use for best engagement inside the point of sales. For example, how many shows was, how many views was, and forecasting, conversion rate, dwell time, audience, OTS, GRP. This is much more important for advertisers, and the budget. Each one of these metrics, you can go deeply in each one, just for better insight. And I will show you how it works for insights. And after, when you run your campaign, you can collect and measure all your audience and use this data for insights. For example, in this case, I can see on the real engagement of different campaigns. For example, this campaign on the pop-ups that I will show you have the huge dwell time for men under 58 age. It means I'm in the target. I'm in the right message for this target audience, for my target audience, it means. So that's why I can select, for example, audience report and see how many males or females was with each type of marketing campaigns. Or I can select the campaign and see that conversion rate more than 100%. It's more because it was a special content that was targeted especially for the audience. It means the views was more than shows. This is good and very attractive campaign. Or you can select other one and see that here we have just a 0.6 conversion rate. It means that we need to improve something in this campaign to be more attractive for the customers. This is how it works, and this is for real life, and this is for real business, and this is for business that you can scale in your retail networks already. Thank you for your time. I'm absolutely sure that it was interesting for you because you need to improve your engagement. I'm absolutely sure. And you need to do more revenue based on your audience, based on your traffic, because this revenue, this is money for improve your business.